Make a great choice today with the 2017 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find capless fuel filler system, cruise control, transmission temperature gauge, child safety locks, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, one-touch windows, 2, compass. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.